So this is lecture 37 based on your fifth unit for subject sensor and instrumentation. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the last characteristic of the smart sensor, that is your self communication. Okay, so previously we have been discussed about this self testing. Now this self communication. Okay, so let's start with this new thing, that is self communication. Okay, so self, you now I think आप सभी लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि what is the definition of self here. Okay, now the important is the rest term is the communication. Okay, so if we talk about this communication in terms of sensor, okay, so maybe possibilities. You have one sensor over here, so I'm just writing sensor 1. Okay, and here the sensor 2, or rather another thing is display. Okay, or you have peripherals. Now you want to transmit the data from S1 to the other. So if you want to transmit the data from here to here, here to here, here to here, ओके, सो सेंसर से सेंसर के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन कराना चाहते हैं, और यू वांट टू ट्रांसमिट द डेटा योर सेंसर टू पेरिफेरल और सेंसर टू डिस्प्ले. सो बेसिकली कम्युनिकेशन क्या हो गया? टू शेयरिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन बिटवीन द टू सेंसर और मोर देन टू सेंसर. ओके, between the sensor to peripherals, between the peripherals, or you want to just display your data. So in every case, you are going to communicate the information. Okay, so in simple word, communication means sharing your knowledge, sharing your information between two different devices. Okay, now here we are talking about the sensors, so that's why I am using the term between the sensors, or sensors to peripheral devices, or you just want to display the data output of your sensor, so that is also the part of the communication. Okay, for as a user you are getting some information from it. Okay, so कम्युनिकेशन आपको पता चल गया. नाउ द टर्म इज सेल्फ कम्युनिकेशन मींस जब सेंसर खुद से ही अपना कम्युनिकेट करे, मींस यू आर नॉट गिविंग टू कमांड टू द योर सेंसर. ओके, सपोज अ फंक्शन इज रिक्वायर्ड पीरियडिकली. ओके, कि जस्ट टेक वन एग्जांपल. ओके, एग्जांपल क्या लेते हैं? We already discussed about this. Okay, just take an example of RO purifiers. Okay, so आपने अभी बीच में देखा होगा, और okay, I'm just forgetting the name of the company which is providing this service. Okay, anyway, but the application is that whenever this RO is required service, okay, so whenever this RO is required the service, it transfer the or send the message मैसेज टू किसको? सर्विस प्रोवाइडर। सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स। ओके, सो आई थिंक आप में से बहुत से लोगों ने इसका ऐड देखा होगा। सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज हियर कि आरओ जैसे ही आपको कुछ टाइम पीरियड बाद आरओ खुद चेक कर रहा है, सो ही इज डूइंग टेस्टिंग बाय इटसेल्फ। ओके, जब टेस्टिंग में ही द आरओ फाउंड आउट कि नहीं, अच्छा नाउ द फिल्टर इज नॉट क्लीन, और जो फिल्टर की क्वालिटी है वो डिग्रेड हो गई है। Okay, then it will send a notification message to the service provider कि now this RO is required a service, okay, or this RO is required to change the filter. Okay, so वो क्या कर रहा है? वो टेस्टिंग कर रहा है, टेस्टिंग के बाद क्या कर रहा है? कम्युनिकेशन टू अदर्स, वो कम्युनिकेशन कर रहा है, सो वो अपने आप ही सेल्फ कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है। ओके, उसको आप कमांड नहीं दे रहे हो, वो अपने पैरामीटर्स को बार बार रेगुलरली इंटरवल पर चेक कर रहा है, वो पर्टिकुलर रेगुलर इंटरवल पर टेस्टिंग हो रही है, एंड whenever he found कि नहीं, now this RO is required to change the filter, it is communicating itself. Okay, so वो खुद से ही communicate कर लेगा. So that is the example of this self communication. Okay, ये communication अपने आप ही हो रहा है. So basically अगर हम इस present scenario की बात करें, okay, so self communication can be between device to device, okay, device to, okay, so just change this word device to device. Okay, we can write it down in the form of, it can be between sensor to sensor, because we are talking about here sensor. Okay, so you can write it down, the between sensor to peripherals devices, between sensor to display. Okay, so it can be between in these things, device to device, device to peripheral device. Okay, so peripheral आपकी कुछ भी हो सकती है, between to you just want to display your data. Okay, so third point, you can edit it. Okay, so because it is just a display, there is no, so just write it down, the display. Okay, communication, because there is no coming back from the display device system. Okay, so in present scenario we can use the term over here. Okay, all of you are aware about this term is internet. Okay, so the term is IoT comes here. Okay, IoT, your artificial intelligence. Okay, machine learning. So all are the example of the, if you are using if you are using any sensor, okay, and applying some ML AI over there, IoT, okay, then it will be the part of your smart sensor. Okay, so you have seen so many examples, okay, in daily life, okay? Like in home appliance, if I talk about your AC, okay, your smart washing machines, okay, it contains so many sensors, smart sensor, okay, intelligent sensor, and are all are connected with the help of this internet, IoT. Okay, so in generalized broad area, broad way में आप कह सकते हैं कि जहाँ पे भी जो हमारे sensors हैं, they are performing on the basis of some application on AI, machine learning, IoT. Most of them are smart sensor. Okay, so this is just about your self communication. A simple definition is, okay, communication by itself, by the sensor itself. Okay, now in example, you can take any one of the example. Okay,